Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I have, and this is going to be probably video number 2 on what I'm calling how to deal with these ridiculous price increases. And specifically I'm talking about Chanel because they have recently had another price increase and I just can't I can't keep up with it basically, and so this is going to be another video in that series where I give you guys a tip on how to deal with it. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I have to say. So if you have seen my other videos on my channel, you guys have seen that I have, been purchasing other things other than quote-unquote luxury items. I mean, everything that you buy is a luxury to somebody. And so I'm not going to say that these aren't luxury because we don't need these things. It's just something that, we want. And yeah, so this in particular is my tip for what I'm actually, doing for myself, because I can't keep affording all these high-priced items from Chanel or Louis, and that is to, purchase other things that I'm interested in, and this in particular is sneakers. And so ever since I was a little kid, I have always been, interested in sneakers. Going to high school and then to college, I always was trying, was interested in what was out there and the new trends, things like that, what was hard to get, what everybody was trying to, get for themselves. And it's just sort of exploded in this industry of reselling. Basically, people just purchase sneakers just to resell them, not to keep them, but just to resell them. I don't think I'm really at the point where I want to do the reselling part as much. So these are actually so I do have a couple boxes here, and these are personal pairs that I had purchased. And so, yeah, so that is my next tip for you, is to buy things that you're, this is just if you need to, keep buying stuff. I mean, for me personally, I sort of do have an itch to, go shopping. I do most of my shopping now online, which is where I got these items. But, yeah, so this definitely takes care of that for a little while. And that is to buy things that you're also interested in that don't cost, an arm and a leg like Chanel, Hermes, and Louis. So let me start out with this box right here. I just recently got this, and I'm talking about recently like today. And let me go ahead and open it. Here's my blade. I'm going to be very careful with this one. Alright, so, and I really hope these fit. Alright, so let me pull these out. So, they are another pair of Yeezy 350s, and the most recent pair was the zebras, and yeah, I was able to get me one. I got this from the website Foot Action, and it is in a 10.5, if you guys can see. So I'm still getting used to these sizes with these shoes as well, because I have never been able to, get my hands on them until recently. And so the last pair that I got, the white ones, they suggested getting a size up, and so I got a size 11, and that fit me better. So I actually got 2 sizes. I got a 10.5 and 11 with that pair, and the 11 fit better, so I did send back the 10.5, And so with this pair, let me show you guys. So this is the Zebra Yeezy. This pair in particular, they said it fits more true to size. And so I got a 10.5 in this one. I actually did try to get an 11 also, but I was not as successful with that. And so I really, really hope these fit my foot. So yeah, so this is pair number 1 that I got. And of course you'll say, you know, okay, so I'm unboxing 2 pairs of shoes right now, and I unboxed those other Yeezys, you know, a few weeks ago. It's like I'm not going to be able to save any money if I'm going to be just buying a ton of shoes. And you're right. I mean, ooh, excuse me. But yeah, so I mean, it is still all controlled, but you guys saw how much Chanel and other stuff I used to buy. So this is definitely not as much as I used to purchase before. Okay, so here is the second pair. You guys already know what it is. It is shoes, but can you guys guess what pair of shoe it is? Let me go ahead and open it. All right. So both of these shoes were actually very hard to get. For those Yeezys, I had to basically get on my computer and open up several websites. You know, Foot Action, Foot Locker, East Bay, even the Adidas website had them. But they had them in very limited quantities, unlike the white ones, and so it was pretty much a game of luck for that one. And these also are very limited, but let me show you guys. So these are from Supreme. Let me open these, and these are my first pair of shoes that I had purchased from Supreme. Take these out, and let me show you what I got. Oh wow, so they gave me a ton of these box logo stickers. They gave me 1, 2, 3, they gave me 4. Wow, so I'm definitely amassing a collection of box logo stickers. Okay, let me pull this out. Nothing else in the bag. Alright, so here is the box. You guys can see it is from Nike. And in particular, this is from the collaboration between, if it'll focus. Oh my goodness. Comme des Garçons and Supreme. This camera is really bad with close-ups, but let me go ahead and unbox this with you guys. And again, with this one, it was very limited. And for this one, again, with Nike, I know that I'm usually a size 11 because they do run a little small. Inside here, we have some tissue paper. And here is, I'm just going to pull out one of the shoes. And there is this shoe. It is the Air Force One. It's the Jordan Air Force One. And it is in the low heel. You can see it is not a high top. And the cool thing about this is that it is a collaboration between, you can see Nike, also Comme des Garçons, and Supreme. So it's sort of like a triple collaboration. And I got a size 11 in in this shoe, and I thought it was just really cool. Now I know with this shoe in particular, since it was so hard to get, so I basically, you know, got this shoe, and like I always do, I try to get online and, you know, try my best to go as fast as I can to put things in my cart and check out with the quickness. I was successful in this pair, as you can see, and this one in particular, I know it retailed for I think $150 or something like that, $160, and they are currently selling for about $300. And so also with sneakers, they are also something that you could you know, invest in. They're not usually a good investment because you can't really wear them and you know, have a good investment. You have to pretty much keep them pristine, but I do plan on wearing these because they are really cool. And the cool thing about these, you can see, so Comme des Garçons, I think, are known for this cut off in the middle sort of design, and so they collaborated with Nike and Supreme to give you that with this shoe. But yeah, so those are my pickups for this video, and stay tuned again, like what I mentioned, that I will be doing a few more videos about how to deal with these price increases, these ridiculous price increases. And this this idea was to basically buy things that you're also interested in that just does not cost as much money. Alright, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.